Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, answering a fan question. Do pimple popper tools actually work? Well, it's pretty simple. They apply an even amount of pressure around a pimple, which causes the blemish to erupt with minimal damage to the skin. The tools can also be washed with alcohol between uses, which limits the potential for the spread of infection. So the simple answer is, yes, they do work. In fact, we'll put a link to our favorite kit below. A good pimple popper kit usually includes various types and sizes of Comedone extractors, a case to put them in, and a lancet to pop those closed Comedones that just won't go away. The kit I like comes with a handy case, and it's much larger than a lot of the cheap knockoffs out of China. So if you're shopping on Amazon, just be careful to get a good kit. The cheap ones will leave you scarred and bloody. Again, there's a link below to my favorite. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.